injured as a result of an earthquake which struck Manipur early this morning. 2 NDRF teams have been moved from Guwahati to other affected areas, while teams in Delhi and Chandigarh are on standby. Home Minister Rajnath Singh spoke to the Manipur Chief Secretary as well as neighbouring Assam's Chief Minister. The Union Home Secretary and National Crisis Management Committee have also taken stock of that situation. A 6.7 magnitude quake originated at Timlong near Manipur's capital Imphal. Power and internet supply in Imphal remains cut off. All schools in Manipur are closed for a week. My colleague Surabjit Sen Gupta filed this report from Imphal.
We are in Manipur's Imam market. This is one of the main markets here. You can see there's a lot of stalls which are generally kept here, but look at the kind of damage this market has suffered, and consequently everybody has been asked to come out. Because of these damages, the structure has been falling. There has been a couple of cases where it fell on a few people as well, and that they received injury. Let's speak to some of the people who are present here and ask them the kind of hardship they're facing right now. Ma'am, you have a shop here. What happened? Kitne baje kya hua?
What happened? This wala hai, ye building wala ye kharab ho gaya. Ye barabar building first starting AMB. ये वाला है ना, ये पुलिस का ये बैग वाला है ना, ये डिस्टर्ब वाला ये मणिपुरी मदर्स नॉट डिस्टर्ब है हियर. यस ये
मणिपुरी मदर्स का शॉप होता है यहाँ
होता है.
तो अभी सुबह 4:30 को जब अर्थक्वेक आया, उसके बाद यहाँ पे क्या हुआ आप लोगों के शॉप्स वगैरह में?
सो वाला है ये होम वर्किंग वाला है ना, ये से कल का आएगा ना, ये 9:30 आए ना, 9:30 ये खराब होगा. ये दुकान में सब खोलेगा. ये गुड्स वाला है ना, ये शॉपिंग का गुड्स वाला है ना, ये आउटगोइंग तो ये वाला देखा है ना, ये सोल में लेडीज मम है ना, अलग का गुड्स का आए ना होम जाएगा.
This is a market which is basically run by Manipuri mothers, and here if you look into it, there's all these places are separate stalls, but you can see the walls, the pillars have actually been damaged. The pillars are in a position from where they can collapse at any moment. They've been asked to vacate the premises. Everybody, as you can see, are taking the things off and trying to move away from here. This market would be shut. All the people who are employed here will now have to hunt for an alternate place, or at least to wait till such a time that when this market is actually rectified again, the building is properly constructed again. The kind of damages that we've seen in Imphal is huge, especially in these few markets. Over 6 people have died in the earthquakes in Manipur. In fact, the epicenter is about 33 kilometers from here. In spite of that, Imphal has seen damages. The epicenter, the things as our sources are telling us, is much worse.
Well, that's definitely a dire situation there. We'll keep getting you details from Northeast and the relief efforts being put in place to rescue and rehabilitate that area. But let's take a short break.